Hello guys, Mr. Dabis here. Let's try to install eFrontier this time, and yeah, I start Lutris for that. So I assume that Lutris is installed already, obviously. Lutris. And I started via terminal so I can see the log, like this. So actually, by default, you might have like this one, WineGE by default, but with that one it won't work. These ones are from Steam itself, and they're the custom ones. But the problem is that the installation won't run. You need an actual wine, the system wine, and not just wine, but HQ wine. So let's install that one. And yeah, if you don't have this, just let me show you where it was. Yeah, basically can go to updates and you can check if you have this up-to-date Lutris version, so to speak. Anyway, now let's go to WineHQ, and we have to install this one. Just follow the instructions. Okay, the directory I don't need, I have it already, and yeah, just this command here. And I'm running as root, so sudo is not needed. Okay, so now we have a keyring file. Yeah, cool. So I have a key. And I'm gonna use Debian 12, so I need this command here to add sources. Okay. Cool. Just check. Yep. WineHQ now update and apt cache search wine. Okay, and we need because I already played with it obviously, so we need stable version. So grab this one. Wine. Oh, and stable staging. Sorry, staging. So, wine staging. Okay, staging, because I use like testing kernel on the stable version. Yeah, to make it work, the actual kernel, you have to update the kernel for the drivers. Okay, so it's this is installed. Yeah, wine staging. So now we can go back to okay, maybe better to restart it. Okay, I have it in the list. If you don't have it in the list, then you can provide the exe file here. Well, executable file, like bin file. Yeah. So yeah, that's correct. And now we can start actually installing the game. Okay, so on this step, I have to close it. So kind of complete the installation, so to speak. But now I have to change to a different version of Wine. So we can select this on gproton. And also we need to check that Wine configuration, that this is a Windows 10. Yeah, it's Windows 7, Windows 10. I need Windows 10. Now we can start it again. Okay, so now I have to log in. Give me a sec. So I logged in. Just press install. And let's wait till it's actually downloads the game. Game is downloaded. Let's see. No, as you can see, it's running. Okay, so this is how you can install it. But only one small note that the kernel you have to upgrade the kernel. So I'm currently using this one, the latest one. And to install it, you need to have in apt sources, you need to add this line. So this bookworm-backports. And after that, you can run a few commands. So just a sec. Great. Install. So the commands we're looking for So we need to run this one. Yeah, you can run it like this, like image. So we just installing the image and the headers. Or you can run, just type in this and use T for backports. Another one. So you install the kernel. After it's installed, you need to reboot your system. And after the system is rebooted with new kernel, you go and run. You need to update the system. So you just run same apt. Just a sec. Just update. Yeah, so you're gonna run this one. I will add them also to the description of the video, but yeah. So that installs the other packages, including the drivers actually, and that's what you need. After that, reboot again. After that, you can install the Wine, etc. Anyway, so this is how you can do it. See you guys.